Alright, this is the day after Christmas. I don't know where all this came from, but it's beautiful. Look at all that snow, people. It's snowing now. Snow's landing on the camera. Yeah, there's the NYPD little vehicle going by. Eat your heart out, Californians. Look at all that snow falling. Can't even see it falling, but it's falling. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Look at my courtyard. God, watch, everybody's probably gonna be like, what? Look at the beach. It's all white. You can't even see it. What a trip when we get to summer after Christmas. There's a normal hoodlums downstairs talking their crap. The local street punk. Gosh, that is just so nice. Gosh. If you didn't get snow where you live, sorry. No, I'm not. Move. That's an evil Grinch laugh. No. But the day after Christmas, this would have been nice tomorrow, but it always snows right around Christmas this time, so it's really, really pretty, and I'm sharing it with you guys. It's about 3 in the afternoon, about 3:20. There goes the snow scoop machine thingy. It's scooping the snow in the middle of the road. Here. Alright, there's nothing to see. It's just all foggy. Can't even see nothing on the beach. See all the snow in the sand, though?
Walking the coastline out there.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Look at all that snow on the beach. What was once sand is now snow. And I'll be going out any second. Peace.